So guys, we made it to the airport. We're just waiting for our gate number. So how old are you today?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. And where are you going today?
We're going to Boracay.
Guests are requested to proceed immediately to boarding gate number 131 downstairs for your flight. Once again, that's boarding gate 1.
So excited.
Board the plane, guys. Finally on our way to Boracay. Pippa. Oh, it's on the right side. Oh, we just boarded. Ding, 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 ding.
Welcomes you to Katiklan Airport, your gateway to Boracay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, baby. We finally made it to Boracay, guys. So we're on our way to our Airbnb. We finally made it to our Airbnb in Boracay. Look at the girls. They got the blippy on here. This is the room that we're in, our Airbnb. Hey. Woo. Are you guys ready to have fun?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Pippa is going to show us a CR here. It's her favorite color.
My favorite color is red and blue, and my favorite country is Philippines and Japan.
There's a CR here, hot shower.
Look, I'm showering.
Very nice. We got some essentials there. And there you go. That's the CR, right? Now, are you guys ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Now we're going through D Mall, heading to the beach. Come on. Birthday girl. Keep on going, guys. good restaurant right here, Tres Amigos. Woo, finally. I wonder if there's anyone swimming. This is a good Italian restaurant right here, guys, to the left. Oh, big waves. Windy. Come here, Pippa. Whoa. Look at this place. Pippa's birthday. Come here, baby. Whoa, careful.
That's so hard to walk.
Pippa, did you have fun?
Daddy, the hair is going to my mouth.
We're shopping. Island souvenirs. Do it, do it. Hi, Pippa.
Okay naman, lagyan mo siya ng wax. Ma'am? Ha?
Got her, babe?
Wala, dalawa na lang. Ahay. Haluin na ako sa balay. Siya. pa po. Okay? Don't forget, maybe stay in your hotel, the biddings. You have a charge.
Okay ba? Wow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Versus you have 20 peso? 20?
Thank you po. There you go. My girls are awake. Good morning.
Hi.
On our second day of Boracay. Are you guys ready to take on the day?
Yeah.
This is our Airbnb here in Boracay. It's called True Home Annex. So we are on our way to get some breakfast. We'll see you when we get there. You guys ready for breakfast? This, guys, is right in the middle of D Mall. So 3-minute walk to the beach and near all the restaurants and the shops. Hey Pippa, are you having fun on your birthday trip? My crepes. Oh, I wonder if we should eat here. No, we'll go to the one on the beach. See, it's still windy because these are like the remnants of the typhoon. Look at this place and the palm trees. Whew. Hey. Hey, see? Wow. A little bit more waves. It's still windy from the typhoon. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's really windy out here. Come on, baby, follow mommy. You guys like Pippa's braids? Cafe Maruja. Okay, are we ready to order? The iced Nutella cafe. What is this, babe?
Mocha latte.
Okay, latte. Pippa just got her fresh squeezed orange juice. Fifi. Fifi. American breakfast. It's yours, babe. Oh, nice. Sure. Wow, it looks good. This is Pippa's sliced fruit pancakes. Breakfast on the beach. So are you enjoying your stay here at Boracay?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What's the best thing you like so far about Boracay? She says the food, guys. See? They are about ready to go swimming. Well, not swimming, but I think they're going to be building sand castles. There's no swimming zone right now because of the typhoon. But that ain't stopping them. Just finished having breakfast and they are out swimming. Let's go check them out. Boracay Beach, guys. Hi, Fifi. Hi, Fifi. Where you going? Where you going? Hi, baby. Boracay Beach, guys. Look at my girls playing on the beach. They love it. They love it. They found a friend too. Going in the water. They're going in. Going in the water. Pippa's got her little friend over there. This is the day after Pippa's birthday, but it's considered this is her birthday week. This is her birthday vacation. So it's all about her. Look at Fifi. Look at Fifi. It's windy out here too, guys. Really windy. So hopefully this mic is doing a good job. It's a nice day out. It's just a bit windy, but it's not raining, so we're happy.
What my baby want?
Where are you guys going?
You wanna go somewhere?
You wanna walk? Okay. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Pippa just loves the water. She loves the beach. I can spend all day watching my big girl play. She loves it out here. That's my baby. Building sandcastles. Hey, my girl. She's just staying busy. That's my little busy bee. That's a happy baby. My Energizer bunny. Alright guys, we are going to the playground near Hugh Malls, Boracay. Oh, nice henna tattoo. You ready for the playground? Yeah, we definitely got lucky with the good weather. Station X. We're going to take the kids to Bright Buds. Bright Buds over there at the top right. Let's go to the playground. There you go. Station X. You ready to play? You just got done playing. Did you have fun at the playground?
Where do we go next?
We are going to eat at a seafood restaurant. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are going to D Mall. On our way, actually, we are going to a seafood restaurant called King Shrimp.
I like
Hi, Fifi. How's that fan? Keeping you cool? We're at the Balabag Wetland Park. Seafood restaurant we're going to be eating at is right there. Boracay! Girls having fun in Boracay. You saw a rat? What?
I saw one in there. It's hiding.
She just saw a rat. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're on our way to King Shrimp Seafood Restaurant. I've been dying for this. Look at my girls. You guys hungry? Not hungry yet? This is where we're going, guys. You see it? King Shrimp. I've been waiting for this. Waiting for a good seafood restaurant. And so we're going to check this place out. King Shrimp. King Shrimp. Nice. Thank you, sir.
Oh, 1 kilo, sir.
Exactly, 1 kilo. Okay. This one. Yeah.
$540 grams, sir. 1,350 peso.
Okay. I don't know if that's enough. I think you can get the two. Look at this, guys. Scarfing it all down. Was it good?
Oh, yeah.
You want to see how much this thing costs here? Just paid it here. 78.80. 78.70. So the crab, the lobster was, it says 15,000. No, 5,500. The crab was 13.50. Steamed shrimp 4.50, and then the tuna belly was 500. Coke 70. But it was worth it, guys. It was worth it. Toy store. Kids are looking for another toy. Pippa, is that what you want? Show us what you got. What did Fifi get? Show Daddy. Cool. Okay, let's go. Riding this little Ferris wheel thing here. Or Pippa is riding this Ferris wheel with Mommy and Fifi.
Mommy,
That's where they are, the purple one. Right there. He was like, Daddy. All done. Was it fun? How about Fifi? Did Fifi have a good time too?
What is that?
Lapu lapu fish here.
That is a crab.
That's crab. 38 per kilo.
Wow.
Good morning. Good morning. Mommy's there. Good morning. Oh, I like your shirt.
Good morning, my lady. Did you sleep good last night? Turn on the light. Come on.
This is day 3 in Boracay. Pippa's still sleeping. You guys ready for a land tour today?
Oh, yeah.
Bulabog Beach, Buka Beach, some other places that we're gonna visit. Get ready for the day.
Ready, Fifi?
Uh-oh. We are walking to the bake shop. Come here, Fifi, let me see. Are you ready? Look at Fifi is ready. Put your shoes on the wrong way, Fifi. How about Pippa? Are you ready to go to the bake shop, bakery for breakfast? Okay. Pippa got a magnet. I love Boracay. We're just going to the bakery right now before we head off to our land tour. We're doing a land tour today. Right here. Good morning, sir. All right, let's see what kind of bread they have here. Good morning. Chocolate muffin. Oh, takeout. Takeout. Cinnamon rolls. Banana cake. You want banana cake? Okay, I think we're just gonna have the cinnamon roll and banana cake. Cafe del Sol. And I got iced cafe latte. This is just how their menu looks. Got smoothies here. Fresh juices. Frappes. Coffee frappes. Iced coffee and hot drinks. Cakes. Pastries. Okay, so we got banana nut bread and cinnamon roll. Pippa's banana nut bread. Here we go, baby. And I got the cinnamon roll. Let's see if it's as good as Cinnabon. Pippa got her mango shake. That looks so good too. You good? You want more? Look at Fifi. Cool. You're cool. All right. So it's a lot windier today than yesterday. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Look at my little girl. Look at my girls. Here you go. Okay. Here we are. You guys haven't been here before. This is the famous kite surfing beach here.
Surfing,
in,
kiteboarding.
Kiteboarding, kite surfing.
Surfing, kiteboarding there, and Punta Rosa.
Oh, Punta Rosa too? Okay. Wow, it's very calm here. Walking around Bulabog Beach. It's actually calm here, unlike the other side on White Beach. So this might be the perfect beach for swimming. Let's go over here. Oh, let's go check out the beach from here, guys. And normally this is the kite surfing beach here.
Yeah, coconut.
Oh yeah, we can walk here.
Yeah, coconut. Famous.
We're gonna take picture by the famous coconut tree over here. There's that famous tree right there. It's calm on this side, but I heard the water isn't as clean on this side as it is on White Beach. So, although it looks good for swimming, the water isn't as clean. So, just remember that, guys. Pippa.
The mountain.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, later.
No, we can mountain now. Yeah. You got that? Oh, she has sand on there.
Pabiak natin, ma'am. Pabiak natin.
Ice cream. Meron pa ata ice cream. Ice cream din.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go up the mountain. Okay. Over there. Huh? Drink. Drink.
Diet, oh look, it's coming.
Fifi. Okay. Let's go. Another Boracay sign. Going to a scenic view here. It started raining, so we have to put the covers down. We're gonna check out this view from the top, going up these stairs right here. Go ahead, follow mommy. Get some exercise. All right, this is where we're at. Mount Luho view deck. You got it.
Whoa! Oh, look at that. Look at the view here, guys. Wow.
Bukabit dyan. And Boracay Nyokos.
Oh, man. Look at that view, guys.
The best view of Boracay.
Ay, wait lang.
Eh, ano naman, 0.5 mo, 0.5.
Whew.
Awa kay mama.
Okay. All right, going back down. It's really windy now. Okay, let's see what's in here. Wow, we just finished climbing up there. I'm gonna take a picture here, and this is the view.
Hold your hat na.
All right, Pippa Beach. Souvenir shops. There's a hotel that's going to be built over here. It'll be ready in 2028. And this right now is there's not a lot of people going to this beach. But 2028, come 2028, when the new Ocean Park Hotel comes here, there'll be a lot of people here. Or the best time to come here is right now. So there's no swimming here because it's so rough right now. So we're gonna have to go to Iligan Beach. But this is Pippa Beach here, guys. Pippa Beach. Which one do you want, baby? That's mango. Do you want chocolate, mango? You want that one? Okay. Alright guys, this is Keyhole at Boracay Newport, or New Coast, Boracay New Coast. The kids are going to be swimming over here. Time for the kids to go swimming. My girl's having a good time at Boracay New Coast Beach. Boracay New Coast. Arlene taking that shot, the clear kayak shot right next to Keyhole. There's mommy. How my girl doing? Hi, Fifi.
We're making a river with a castle.
Making a river, huh?
Just like
My girls. This is Boracay New Coast Beach. Right next to, straight ahead, you can see the Keyhole.
there's a keyhole.
Right there, you see the hole there in the middle of the rock? That's Keyhole.
What is that?
We take a picture there. It's just a hole in the middle of a rock formation. Hi, Vivi. Boracay New Coast.
Keyhole means the hole, right?
Keyhole. Place is called Keyhole, guys.
Keyhole.
I'm gonna take a quick photo here.
But why have to
This place.
I would say keyhole. Keyhole.
Say welcome to Keyhole.
Welcome to keyhole. It's my friend.
That's the Belmont Hotel there as well.
Look, guys.
What do you see? You see the boat, Fifi?
I saw Speedboat.
See the boat?
Daddy, look, I saw him. I saw blue rocks in the sea.
You saw blue rocks?
I never see it before.
I bet you it was nice. Cause why do you like blue? Is it because it's your favorite color?
Yes, the sea is blue.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pippa. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Look at my beautiful girls. I'm beautiful girls.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi to the camera, Fifi. Say hi, Fifi. Huh? What is this? What did you say?
Daddy, I saw flamingo.
Oh yeah, right there.
Do you like my hair, guys?
Yeah, we like your hair. We're going to City Mall right now so the kids can play in the playground. go to the playground. Wow, you're talented. You are talented. Good job. Bravo, bravo. This is where we're having dinner, guys. Falafel Boracay. There's the menu. There's the girl. Cool.
With flowers and leaves.
Nice.
And it's colored blue. Just like,
Cool.
I don't know what.
Ube Mama. Trying this out. That's what it is. Vegan corn, Maja Blanca ice cream, vegan ube ice cream, ube pudding, salted coconut cream, all that kind of stuff. Oh, that purple hair, huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at Fifi.
Here.
There?
Try it, baby.
You gotta mix it. It's our last night here, guys. We're about to go for some dinner. We're gonna eat at this place called Hobbit Tavern. We ready for a Hobbit Tavern?
No?
You're not ready yet? Oh, that's a small hat. Does it still fit you?
No.
Okay, guys, we are going to this place right here. This is Hobbit Tavern. Hobbit.
Why they are so short, guys?
Pippa was asking why the people are so short here, the hobbits. So, some people are just born like that. They're just short
Wow,
like
look
that,
at that.
so it's normal. That's Pippa's strawberry shake. Let me see. Try it out. Thank you, Bo. Is it good? These are calamari. That's my Mai Tai, guys. I ordered Mai Tai. We got the pancit here, guys. Look at that. Pancit canton. Look, this is the ribeye steak, guys. Got mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables.